Welcome to Arduino tutorial. Today I'll show you how to blink LED. That means how to turn on and off LED. It is a very good tutorial for beginners because in this tutorial you will learn some basics about Arduino. For this tutorial we need an Arduino board and a LED. Arduino board must be connected with a computer through an USB cable. Then we will use Arduino IDE to program the Arduino board. We can use any Arduino board like Arduino Mega. It is a very big Arduino board and it has many input and output, so it is suitable for big project. But problem is you cannot insert it on breadboard. It is an Arduino Nano. It is very small and it can be insertable on breadboard. You can design project prototype on breadboard using Arduino Nano. We are going to use Arduino Nano for this project. It is the project diagram. You need to connect a LED with pin number 12. LED has polarity, so you have to connect positive pin of LED with Arduino pin number 12. Now you need to install Arduino IDE for programming. To obtain Arduino IDE, go to arduino.cc, the official website of Arduino, then go to download, select Windows app, or alternatively we can download hourly build. Click Windows to download the zip file. Here is the zipped Arduino IDE. Unzip it, and then you will get this folder, and this is the application. Double click to run it. This is the Arduino IDE. Now connect the Arduino board with PC through an USB cable. Windows 10 PC usually identify Arduino board automatically and assign a COM port for it. So select that COM port from Tools menu. Then select the board model. We have selected Arduino Nano. This is our board. You can select your board. Under processor I have selected old bootloader because my board is old. You can select first one if you have newer version of the board. Board setup is complete. Now go to File, Examples, Basics, then click on Blink. First few lines are comments, you should read it. Codes are divided into two sections. First one is void setup and second one is void loop. Under void setup you need to set the pin mode as output and replace the LED button with pin number 12 because we have connected LED with pin number 12. Under void loop, replace the LED button with 12. High means it will turn on the LED. Delay 1000 millisecond. In this line also replace the LED button with pin number 12. Here low means it will turn off the LED. Delay is 1000 millisecond, that means 1 second. After execution of fourth line, this loop will go to first line and it will loop forever. Now compile the project. Let's say it's compiling and it's completed successfully. Now we are going to click on upload button to upload the program to Arduino board. It's uploading. Complete uploading. Now your LED should blink on every 1 second. You can change the delay time, set it to 100. This one also 100. Compile and upload the project. Done uploading. Now your LED is blinking faster than before. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel to stay connected.